Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. And today we're looking at an exam question from some years ago that was referred to me by a pupil. Now, I'll read this through. It's really crowded here and I apologize for that. I've actually broken the question down later on the page. So, tan theta minus 1 times sine theta minus root 3 cos theta times sine theta plus root 3 cos theta equals 0. And the question is, what are the values, I'm going to underline the S, of tan theta, presumably in order to make this statement true? Well, my student, who's a very good student, really didn't quite know where to start with this. And this is an example of something that's easier than it looks, at least in the initial phase. If you think in very simple terms, if a times 4 equals 0, what must a equal? Well, a must equal 0. So in order to make this equal 0, one or all of these, because it's just a multiplication, must equal 0. So let's start with this one. Well, in order for tan theta minus 1 to equal 0, the tan of theta must equal 1. And we're asked to find the values of tan theta. So in order for tan theta to equal, in order for tan theta minus 1 to equal 0, quite simply, tan theta must equal 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. We weren't, and I did check with the answers for this, we weren't expected to go any further with this. We weren't expected to find what theta is. But for those of you who are interested, it's 45 degrees. And I think we're working from 0 to 90. That's the impression that I got. Anyway, that's the answer. Sort of. Now, I underlined S. What's with the values? Well, let's have a look at the second part of this, which, if I just bring that back into frame, sine theta minus root 3 cos theta. How do we make that 0? And where's the tangent here? Where's the tan? Well, let's go to work. Sine theta minus root 3 cos theta equals 0. Okay, well, what we do know, and this is the key to it, is that the tangent is equal to the sine over the cosine. It's a fairly well-known trig identity. If you're confused or bothered by that, it might be worth taking a look at some of the earlier videos on the unit circle that appear in the circular trigonometry playlist on the site, or even just having a look at a textbook in the early stages of circular trigonometry where this is explained on the unit circle. But making a long story short, the tangent is equal to the sine over the cosine. Right. So let's just keep going. Root 3 cos theta is going to equal negative sine theta. We're just rearranging this. Negative root 3 is going to equal negative sine theta over cos theta. Now, get rid of the negatives. Oh, by the way, that equals negative tan theta. So if we just cross that out and replace it with negative tan theta, we have negative root 3 equals negative tan theta. Multiply by negative 1, and what we get is we get tan theta equals root 3. Now that is another one of the answers. Okay. Is that all? Well, no, we still have this part of the question up here to deal with. So further down the page, I think you can see where this is heading. We're going to do exactly what we did here, but we've got a positive, which maybe means that, well, it certainly means that the examiners intended that we possibly think beyond 90 degrees, possibly into well, certainly as far as 180 degrees. Don't worry if you don't understand that. It's not necessary to solve this. Okay, quickly, because this is a little bit repetitive, plus root 3 cos theta equals 0. So, root 3 cos theta equals negative sine theta. We'll just divide through by cos theta. So we've got down here, if I've got some room, negative root 3 equals, that is negative tan theta equals negative, is that right? Let me think about that. No, that's positive. What am I saying? Equals negative tan theta. So multiply through by negative 1, and we get tan theta equals negative root 3. So our solutions are, and I'll put them up here, 1, solutions in my poor handwriting, 1 plus or minus root 3. Those are the solutions to this question. It's a great question, and I'm really grateful for having it referred to me. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.